Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy Morales. Today I am going to talk about my vacation. During my vacation, I went to a park with beautiful views. At, at work, a parent took some pictures and enjoyed the scenery. It was It was a very nice place and I felt happy there. Usually I stay at home and help my family with household chores. We were together and I enjoyed spending time with them. I also played a soccer match on a dirt field with my father. We had a great time and I enjoyed playing with him. On Sundays, I go to catechism. Tomorrow, I will make my first communion. It is a very special day for me and my family. After the ceremony, there will be a celebration. We will have a party and spend time together. I am very happy about it. My vacation was great time. I enjoyed my time with my family. I also harvested some plants I had in the backyard. It had a long time since I picked them. After that, I went to visit my cousin who lives near my house, and sometimes we play soccer, just the two of us, but it's been 2 weeks since we last played, but I I'm I'm waiting for a rematch, and that's all. Soon be for listening. Thank you.